I'm so happy. See the way Funny Bone they hold in mama. Funny Bone. I remember we were in London in 2010 when Funny Bone lost the dad. Senator there. Senator, you remember now? Julius Agu, we go do Julius Agu show for London when Funny Bone Papa died with the colors. Now that day now I know say Funny Bone mouth and his nose and the same way that they spread. When Funny Bone start to they cry, we they sleep for night, then we just hear person they cry. Why go die? Because na me fair call. Because na me be landlord for Lagos that time. Waiting. That's why I run. Wake up. Funny Bone, wait happen. Waiting. They say my papa don't die. They say my papa don't die. See the shirt where I buy for him, he no go wear am. Where I for buy the shirt na Primark. But that time for Senator, you know say na that London line, I take go Coventry. He called me only £3 for my hand. And I will come back from Coventry, go do things. And from there now we take go that US. Where Julius Agu take carry some people go strip club. Senator don't talk am before say Julius Agu carry them go strip club. Idiots. This done the humorous. All of us there as they hungry for London. I no know say he get wetin that they call back page. This idiot don't go back page, go other girl. Now when the girl come, now I know say man feel humble. He called the girl number, call. When the girl show, he no see the amount for there. Now when the girl show, now the girl say £200. And then the humorous say, I don't want to do again, no. I'm okay. Now the humorous lawyer. You don't see where man lawyer before. Yoruba men, very. If you see where girl wine waist for front of Yoruba girl, now you go know what it mean for Yoruba man to look. Don't see where girl wine waist for Yoruba alone. I want to broke down my name. Somebody like Kosi, if you make a wear Yoruba man, then you go shock. Only Yoruba man feel use Bluetooth, they sort things. As I did now, I feel suck Kosi from here. Now only she go to shock. I'm feeling it too. Our mouth no good. When I don't say Yoruba man, no, most of the time I dey always talk. When I dey always talk about Yoruba people, the people too they complain, say Seyi law, every little thing he go talk about Yoruba man. Every little thing he go talk about Yoruba man. And so I don't talk, say I don't want to talk about Yoruba people again. But this one will be the last time where I go talk about Yoruba people. No, because all of us will relate to this thing. I mean, often I remember when they robbed for Lekki. That time where armed robbers come FCMB for Lekki. When they rob, one Yoruba man, he get money or they inside bulletproof car. When he start to the year gunshot, now only they try, won't open the door for the car, come down. Now the driver, they tell him, Organa bulletproof car. He say, so serious. Did they test it in your presence? When they did the car, were you there? They are shooting gun, you are saying it's bulletproof. Are you the one that bought it? Oh, what movie? I got a lot of mama against a real brook. I don't see like who condemn more like that. So Yahweh. Yoruba man no one die yo. No be joke. Yoruba man no one die. And you know, since Buhari come, all of us they shout change. The change is good, but only say we never know where we they head with the change. Even the Flying Eagle under 17, they play cup finish, win. They go Abuja, Buhari give them 20,000. NFF come begin complain. Sir, this thing is too small. Now Buhari say, they are 17. What do they want to use money to do? Now one of them provoke. Who says I'm 17? I'm 35. They want to see 20,000.